Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by signing into your Bybit account and confirming 2FA. This protects API access. Once logged in, navigate to the user menu at the top right and choose API Management to begin. Make sure you use a desktop browser because the web interface exposes all settings. Also confirm your account verification status. Bybit may block API creation for unverified users. Now that you're at API Management, you're ready to create a new key and define its permissions. You click Create New Key and give it a descriptive name so you can identify it later. Then choose Permissions, enable read for data, trade if bots will place orders, and avoid withdraw unless absolutely necessary. Once done, restrict access by whitelisting your server IPs. This prevents unauthorized use. After you submit, Bybit shows the API key and secret. Copy the secret immediately because it's only displayed once. Make sure to store that secret in a secure vault for future use. You finish by testing the key. Run a basic authenticated API call to fetch account info and verify the response. If the call fails, check that the IP whitelist matches your client IP, confirm the clock on your machine is synced, and ensure 2FA or account limits aren't blocking requests. If the secret was lost or possibly exposed, rotate or revoke the key immediately and create a new one. This protects funds and keeps automated systems running reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.